electric luxury starts now. This all-new, all-electric sedan marks the beginning of our journey into the EV market and the first step towards electrification. The Genesis Electrified G80 is introduced to fulfill our customers' desire for an EV with uncompromising driving dynamics, as well as thoughtful, sustainable materials without range anxiety. For the Electrified G80, we have utilized alternative concepts, including aluminum and carbon fiber reinforced plastics to reduce body weight while enhancing rigidity. This has allowed us to achieve a range of over 500 kilometers NEDC. In the interior, the Electrified G80 utilizes sustainable materials with recycled wood, PET, and nylon, as well as natural dyes for the seat fabric. This eco-friendly outlook is supported by a solar charging roof. The future of mobility is electric.